channel. Today we have a 2016 TRD Sport 4x4 Toyota Tacoma. She is gorgeous. We just got her back from detail, compound polish, wax, paint completely sealed. She is the Sport Edition. She got that scoop, super aggressive front end, chrome, fog lights. She's got these really nice black and silver wheels, 17s with aggressive thread. She sounds really good. How reliable she really is. All right, let's go for a drive. Outside is gray, interior is black. So the Carfax is going to help you out a lot deciding what vehicle you should buy. Today we have a 2016 Toyota Tacoma. It is the Sport Edition, 3.5 liter V6, rear wheel drive, 4x4. No accidents reported to Carfax, 2 previous owners, 14 service record history. Oh my God, I always confuse that. Personal vehicle, last owned in North Carolina. Now we got this one out of state. Looks like it's Tennessee, North Carolina, which is really wow. But we actually have a customer that's asking for one of these, and we did buy this vehicle 100% online. And like I said, it's a push start. Woo! Like I was saying, we have a customer that really wants a Toyota Tacoma. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. We have a customer that really wants a Toyota Tacoma. Here's the key for it right here. It's just a fob. It says low battery. Little triangle for that message. We'll change that out later. She's got gas. Temperature's good. Radio's right here. Maxed it out and it sounds good. Let's turn the AC on. AC controls down here. Let me set it to low. We got our 4-wheel drive because this is a 4-wheel drive. Bunch of other things down here to connect our phone, connect our chargers. The lights in the back. Our headlights in the front. Man, this is such a beautiful, beautiful steering wheel. Reminds me of the older Toyota Tacomas, but it's just so thick. And it's not a 3-spoke anymore. It's just like a, it still feels really nice, really sporty. The cluster's pretty cool. Got some information here. 150, trip A, trip B. There's the miles, 114,000 miles on it right now. And I mean, the seats are in great shape. The back seat's great shape. Headliner's in great shape. Radio still sounds really new. I like that it doesn't have a thing to push here to change it down. A reverse camera here. Oh. Got it in drive. Got our emergency brake that works. All right, let's go for a drive. So this Toyota is basically sold already. This is our bumpy road test. The road right here is just really bad. Just a bump in every section. $114,000 miles, and a lot of people think that, you know, after 100,000 miles it's time to trade in a vehicle, time to get rid of it because it's unreliable, and that's just not the case, especially with the Toyota, especially with the Tacoma. Just such a beautiful, gorgeous truck. And man, she drives beautifully. She drives like I've never driven a brand new car, brand new truck, but I mean, if I were, this is how it would drive. This is the closest to a brand new car I've ever had. Not super fast, but it feels really good. Going 65 right now. Let me go 70. This is a 4-wheel drive, so it's a little heavier than your normal size, your normal Tacoma. So I'm going 70 miles and she is perfect. The alignment seems to be really good. Come on, 79. Okay, here's 80. So I'm going 80 miles, and she is perfect. There's no shakiness in the wheel at all. A little bit of air noise. Let me slam on my brakes. I'm going 75. Perfect. No shakiness in the wheel. I didn't feel or hear anything normal or abnormal. Nothing out of the blue. My favorite color, especially for cars, is white. It's just the best. It's the easiest to work with. For me, it's even the easiest to keep clean, which sounds kind of crazy, but black gets dirty so fast, and any little tiny thing, imperfection, just completely, you see it. Also, like I said, it's difficult to keep it clean. White is the easiest to keep clean, which sounds a little crazy, but it's true. Black is also, it takes a lot of beating from the sun, and the paint can go bad very fast. That's why I like white. It's a lower maintenance. And then black is like having two cars. You got your car that you got to take care of, motor, transmission, differential, all this other stuff, brakes and whatnot, suspension, and then you have the paint of your car. If it's black, you got to take extra good care of your paint, you know, get it waxed, sealed up. And we've already done that. I actually did it. I compounded the entire truck, compound polish, waxed it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but man, it looks cool. And as I'm driving this truck, I just see the front and those little curves that it has in the front. You can just see them, and it looks so cool. Man, you feel bulletproof in this truck. It feels like nothing can touch you in here. There's a lot of space. Another lifted truck. Woo! See if they want to race. Little Taquache kid. Let's go, baby. Oh, the cops around. Zero to 60, woo! 60, we're not doing anything bad. I don't think we're breaking the law. Accelerating quickly, is that against the law? But you gotta just look around and make sure. Reckless driving is what it could be, I guess, which is bull. I'm not recklessly driving. I'm just driving. Test driving. I'm just test driving. But the brakes feel really good. Toyota Tacoma with 114,000 miles. It's a lot of miles for a 2016. And as you can tell, it's been everywhere. And now it's in California at Tio's Auto Sales. Boo boo. I am just truly blessed. It's so awesome to be driving all these different kinds of cars and trucks, SUVs. Oh no, I was supposed to take pictures of the Toyota Sienna today. I do all our online here at the dealership. So I wash, this is what I do at the dealer. I buy cars, I sell cars, I trade cars, I wash the cars, I detail the cars, I do full compound jobs, and I run all our online. And sometimes I even do mechanic work. Let's go through another bumpy road because that's a red light. Welcome to Turlock. Woo! Turlock, Turlock. And to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This Toyota Tacoma is reliable. At least I believe it is. Good thing about the Carfax is that it has no accidents, and that's one of the biggest reasons we bought this one. Because finding a 2014 Toyota Tacoma and up with good shape and good miles is pretty difficult. But it's 100% possible. You just got to keep looking. It took us like over a month to buy this truck right here. You know, and we're a dealership, so yeah, we got to find one that's up to our standards. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe.